What's up guys? So today we're making sweet and spicy potatoes. First, peel and large dice the sweet potatoes. Place them in a pot and cover with salted water and vinegar. Next, parboil them for 12 minutes. Here's a pro tip.
Try to cut all your potatoes to a similar size. That way, they cook evenly.
Next, remove the potatoes from the water and drain. Then, place in a greased or lined baking dish. Be sure to add salt and pepper to taste. Then, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, combine the butter, water, pepper sauce, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg and ginger into a medium saucepan over medium heat. Then, cook and stir until the butter has melted. Stop stirring and bring to a gentle boil. Boil for 2 minutes without stirring. Then, remove sauce from heat and stir in the vanilla extract. Next, pour sauce over potatoes and toss to coat. Then, bake for 30 minutes or until potatoes are fully cooked, stirring every 10 minutes. Here's another pro tip.
Be sure to keep an eye on your potatoes when they're in the oven, as sugar burns very easily.
Finally, remove from the oven and let cool for 10 minutes to let sauce thicken. Then you can serve your sweet and spicy potatoes.